Okay, we're going to go through the installation of Automated Traffic Bot. First of all, select the file that you've just downloaded, double click on it, and by default it's going to install to Automated Traffic Bot 2. Now as I've already got it installed on my system, I'm just going to send it to a file that I can get rid of. So just bear with me for a sec. There we go. I'm sending it to deltme3. Click install. Okay, so now if we browse to our C drive, we can see the file that, well, the folder that's just been installed. Now, okay, what we have here is a quick start manual, which will give you an idea of how to use the software, the program itself, and a couple of dependent programs here, which are for creating a CSV file, your account details, and one for creating your press release. We're not concerned about them at the moment. The other file here you don't need to touch at all. This is the information that is used for populating the account that you're going to generate. Okay, so the first thing we do is we click on the, well, double click on the program. The program's now loaded up and we're presented with 4 tabs. The first one, Create CSV, is going to make the account file that you're going to use. Okay, so if I hit play here, it opens up this window. So let's put some bogus details in here. Put my password in. Don't worry, that's not a password I normally use. Put my job title in. Okay, Max Autos we'll use here. You don't have to put bona fide details in here. It's good if you can spell them though. Okay, now click create. Right, if we go back to the folder where we just installed the program to, I'll just close this now. Right, now you'll see that a account has been created here called MacGuru. It takes the first name and the last name. If I open that in TextPad, you can get an idea of how this file is created. See, it's got all the details we've just input there. Okay, back to our program again. Now if we go to the Create Account tab, I'll choose the free press release site, click on the Browse button. Alright, so we go there and we look for our CSV file and we load that in. Now if I hit the play button now, it will go to the free press release site. Here we go. Just wait for the page to load properly. There you go. See, it's created a username for me, MacGuru, entered my password and my email details. If you're happy with everything that's been filled in, hit the play button again. There we go, at long last. It's created that account for me. There we go. It's filled in all my details there. Same for the next one. You'll have to enter some captures for some sites. I'm only demonstrating the registration process, so I'm not going to bother with the captures, but you can see that everything's been filled in for you. Okay, next we'll have a look at creating a press release. So hit the Create Press Release tab, press the play button, stop that. What you want to do is paste in your headline, the abstract from your press release, and the body of your press release. So I'm going to pause this for a second while I get the information. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to use an article, but I don't personally advise that. You'd be likely to have your press release rejected unless you use the expected press release format. Okay, so here we go. It's Twitter software, leveraging your Twitter traffic online. I'll copy that. I'll paste that in here. Just for demonstration purposes, I'll take a little bit of info out of here and paste that into the abstract here. And I'll take the rest of the article, paste that into the body. Just put your bio in here. And lastly, the keywords that you want to use. Say, in this case, it'd be Twitter, Twitter software, etc. Now click Generate. Close that window. Back in our original directory now, we have these additional files. We have abstract, we have bio, body, headline, keywords. There you go, that's just the information that I've just put into the software. Right, now we're ready for the next stage. So if you get the program back up again. Now one thing you will have to have done is to have validated the emails when you registered the accounts. So you'll need to go to your email address and validate everything that's come in. Once you've done that, browse for your CSV file. Select a site you want to submit to and click play. So it's gone to the press release site and logged in. Okay, there we go. It's populated all of those fields. You'll need to fill in a captcha here, but I don't personally want to submit this release because I'm just doing a demo for you. But you can see what's happened. Let's put in a title for you, put in the summary and the body of the text. And your other details here. Now you've got an opportunity to check that everything is right there before you actually submit it, because it'll pause on this page. So the next thing to do if you want to submit is just to hit the play button. Let's have a look at one of the free sites. Off it goes to a free site for us. Once again, it's given us a captcha to fill in. I'm not going to do that because I'm only demonstrating the software. But if you scroll down, it's filled in all the details for you. Once you're happy with that, just hit the play button.